Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to a VPN using the Global Protect Virtual Private Network software. So you may be wondering what a VPN is. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Essentially what it allows you to do is to connect to a network infrastructure as if you were physically located at that place from an off-site location such as different networks such as like a home network or a coffee shop Wi-Fi or even a mobile network. Also, what's the reason why you'd want to connect to a VPN? Well, VPN will essentially allow you to access network files and folders on a different network infrastructure. It creates a secure, private, encrypted connection, and it allows you to connect anywhere from any internet connection. So there's a couple things to keep in mind while you're using a VPN. It'll drastically slow down the download and upload speed of your internet connection. Can affect things like video conferences and even video streaming sometimes. So those are just some things to keep in mind while you're using a VPN, just so if you notice any kind of internet slowdown, it may be because you're using the VPN that could be slowing it down due to the heavy encryption that it has along with it. So briefly, I'm going to show you what a VPN does. So I made a little drawing here. This is your home network where you have your devices and your internet connection. So normally when you go to use the internet and you want to go get information from somewhere, your internet connection will go multiple places. VPN will essentially allow you to, when you sign in using the Global Protect VPN, it connects you to the network infrastructure in a secure and private way. So any internet data that you get from like an office or a campus network infrastructure will be direct and secure. So now I'm going to show you how to sign into the VPN. So if we go here to the Global Protect VPN software icon right here, looks like a grayed out globe or planet Earth. So if we click on that and we click connect, and it's going to ask for our username and password. Sometimes you might need to add the portal name. In this case, it'll be sg.mesacc.edu. On any PLA form issued school computers, this will automatically be entered. So you more than likely won't need to enter this, but just in case, it's sg.mesacc.edu. So your username is going to be your MEID and password. So I'm going to enter that in now. All right, I'm going to click sign in. All right, so now it says I'm connected. Anytime I want to disconnect from the VPN, I would just click the disconnect button. And if I click away, it'll minimize that window, but I can always bring it back by going to click here again. And if you hover over, you can see that I'm connected still. It's got the little, it's all colored in now, and it's got the little check mark there too. So if I click on that, it'll bring this window back up in case you ever need to disconnect or reconnect again. It's fairly common to disconnect and reconnect. So now that you're connected to the VPN, you should be able to navigate to any network folders or files that you have on your network infrastructure through your VPN. For the sake of security, I'm not going to show you any specific folders that you can get to within our infrastructure, but I will demonstrate how to find it. So if you open up a file explorer, if you have a map network drive, you should see it somewhere in network or in your this PC. You should have any map network drives. You should be able to access it and get into it with your credentials. So for example, if we go to the address bar on our file explorer, type // and go to, say, for example, it would be called network drive. So nothing's going to come up for me right now if I hit enter, but you should know the name of the one that you're trying to get to. So you would just hit enter and it would go to that network drive while you're connected to the VPN. All right, that concludes this video. If you have any other questions or need a more in-depth step-by-step guide, you can go to mesacc.edu/intranet help/network resources/network resources using VPN. Has a very in-depth guide, and it even has directions for using it on a Mac and Windows.